This 2023 Winnebago Voyage 2730RL is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Fort Worth, Texas, 76140 and is offered for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth. This new Winnebago is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features 2 slideouts, sleeps 4, microwave, TV, stove top burner, skylight, Colorado detector, refrigerator, LP detector, external shower, oven, DVD player, and 60 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bath, front bedroom, kitchen island, mid-kitchen, rear entertainment, rear kitchen, rear living area. The unloaded weight of this 2023 Winnebago Voyage 2730RL is 7,464 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's RV Fort Worth, visit RVUSA.com.